Okay, here's where I'm at with this generator project. Got my concrete poured. It's been sitting here for about 2 weeks now. I got 3 posts set. They've been here for about 4 days. It's still got a little curing left on them. I changed up something. I'll end up needing one more post. Originally I was going to put everything on the back wall, the box and all on the back wall. It's going to have a transfer switch right there. The more I got to looking at it, and the more I got to trying to figure out where the lines are coming from and how to best route them, I decided it's probably best if I put the box on this side. Now, there is a good chance that I will slide it further that way, but it's just sitting there right now so I can kind of size things up. So I'll put another post here, halfway, and that way now, because I'm gonna have to move my the whole power pole and all, I'm just gonna set a 6x6 right here. Once I take all this off, all I'll be fighting is just the weight of the drop and the mast. I'll just swing it over, bolt that there, and I'm gonna come down. I'm gonna have a cutoff switch. Right now, the only way we cut off stuff really around here is we just pull a meter. That works, but it's probably not the best thing. Sometimes the power company will frown on you pulling the meter, and they don't frown on when I do it, but you know, everybody might not be in my position. But I'll set a 6x6 right about there. I'll come in with my new line, come up, and I'll probably have a double throw switch to go from the generator power, because I'll eventually have the whole house generator sitting here. This is just, I'm setting it up for a whole house generator now. It's just for the time being I'm going to be using this smaller one. But I'll pipe up my conduits, all of them in here. Whichever one won't work, I'll just put another box and come around. And of course all that's going to be a and I'll probably I have them, still have 2 more of the strut metals over there. I'll put another strut metal here just so I can keep the pipes real rigid, clamped up and everything, so they won't be it won't look like it does now. But the reason why it looks like it does now is because I've started taking a lot of it apart. But you can see how my pole is leaning. But that's just a telephone pole I set myself. I just dug it down, and of course I didn't go deep enough. And this time I'll do it a better job. But once I swing everything over, pipe it all up, and it'll look a lot more better, a lot more professional, and it'll be a safer job too, all the way around. Because like right now, you could see my tags, except for one, you can't even tell what they are, where before every one of them was labeled. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and one of them has 2. There's 10 things coming up there now, and there's actually another one on the backside. They're going to 10 different buildings I have scattered around that down, through here. But anyway, that'll get it more professional, safer, just better all the way around. And I won't be using regular water PVC this time. I'm going to be using the electrical conduit.